In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Notion. Whether you're working on a huge workspace, a dense database, or just a page with a lot of text, being able to quickly zoom in and out can make a big difference in how comfortable and productive you are. Notion doesn't use a special in-app zoom slider like some other tools. Instead, it relies on your system's standard zoom shortcuts, similar to what you might already use in your web browser. Let's start with Windows and Linux. If you're on one of these systems and you want to zoom in on your Notion page, press the Control key and the plus key together. That's Control and plus. Each time you press this combination, the content in Notion will get a little bit larger, making text and elements easier to read. This is especially helpful if you're presenting or if you're working on a smaller screen. To zoom back out on Windows or Linux, press Control and the minus key together. That's Control and minus. Use this when things start to feel too large or when you want to see more of your page or database at once. A couple of quick taps will let you pull back and get a better overview of your content. If you ever feel like you've gone too far in either direction and want to get back to a normal view, you can reset the zoom level to 100%. On Windows and Linux, just press Control and 0. That's Control and the number 0. This instantly returns Notion to its default zoom, which is great if you've been adjusting the zoom a lot and want to quickly get back to a clean baseline. Now let's talk about Mac OS. The idea is exactly the same, but instead of the Control key, you'll use the Command key. To zoom in on a Mac, press Command and plus. Each press will make your Notion content larger, just like on Windows and Linux, and it works whether you're using the desktop app or running Notion in a browser. To zoom out on Mac OS, press Command and minus. This will shrink everything down step by step, giving you more space and a wider view of your page or database. And finally, to reset your zoom back to 100% on a Mac, press Command and 0. That will snap your Notion view right back to its standard size, so you always have a quick way to return to the default if things start to feel too big or too small.